All right, everybody, good job. And if you are peeking, go back and try it on your own. Do your thinking before the adult tells you, because that will help you make more mistakes, which is exactly what you need to do in order to learn the most. Okay, kiddos, I was thinking it would be helpful to talk about which answers were made sense and which ones didn't. Okay, so it says which shapes are not rectangular prisms. Now, that rectangular prism is anything from that cube to this rectangular shape where it's a 3D shape on one of the faces. So rectangle on one of the sides and maybe even squares on two of the sides. I was looking here. This one is for sure a rectangular prism because it has the rectangles on its faces. Even the two square sides, this front one and the back one that you can't see, that still makes it a rectangular prism. The cone, for sure not. It rolls. This cylinder, for sure not. It rolls. Rectangular prisms don't like to roll. They more like are big slabs almost, kind of like this guy. They kind of fall and stay. They make great building material or even great holders for tissues. This cone as well, also not a rectangular prism because it rolls. The sphere, you probably know why it's not a rectangular prism. It rolls. Okay, now let's look down in here in these three shapes. Oops, I think I went too far. This rectangle here on that face, that is showing a rectangle, and it's not just a flat shape, so yes, it's a rectangular prism. This shape with a square in the front and a square in the back and then squares on each side, that still is a rectangular prism. A cube is a form of a rectangular prism. It's like how a square is a special rectangle. A cube is a special rectangular prism. Okay. And last but not least, this large little cabinet here, boy, that it looks like an old computer cabinet, doesn't it? Like a rectangular face, rectangular top, square sides. I'm smelling, you guessed it, rectangular prism. All right, everybody, you guys did great, and try the next slide, but please do not peek at the following slide. I'll see you then.